To enter a journal entry in Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Open Xero and log in using your credentials. Navigate to Journals. From the dashboard, click on Accounting in the top menu, then select Advanced and click on Manual Journals. Create a new journal. Click on the New Journal button in the top right corner. Enter journal details. Date. Enter the date of the journal entry. Journal number. Xero will auto-generate this, but you can enter a custom reference number if needed. Description. Add a description to explain the purpose of the journal entry. Enter journal lines. In the journal line section, enter the accounts affected by the journal. Account. Choose the relevant account. Debit or credit. Enter the debit or credit amount for each line. Tracking. Add tracking categories if needed for internal reporting. Review the journal. Ensure the journal is balanced. Double-check the amounts and accounts to ensure accuracy. Save or post the journal. Once verified, click Post to finalize the journal entry. If you want to save it as a draft for later review, click Save.